So recently, Google sent me a mail asking me to turn on my community. So this is a very new feature introduced by YouTube. It's a new setting introduced by YouTube, but you need to turn it on yourself. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on and how you can use it. Now, this feature is very, very good. Why I said so is because it gives your audience the ability to interact with each other. It gives your subscribers the ability to share common ideas and also share their own videos or their thumbnails on your community. So this way your audience or your subscribers will have the opportunity to interact with others, and this is a very, very beautiful feature. I'm going to show you how you can set it up, but before that I'm going to be showing you an example of what I'm talking about from someone's channel, another big YouTuber, Nigerian YouTuber. I'm going to show you this setting on her channel. Okay, because I also I've been able to do the same thing on her channel. I've been able to post on her community for other YouTubers to see, other content creators to see. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, One Digital Hub. I want to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support to this channel. Okay, recently I created a Telegram group, so please endeavor to join my Telegram group where I also share some tips that I don't share on YouTube and also connect with other content creators. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the community tab, how you can turn it on. But before we do that, I want to show you exactly what I am talking about in this video. Okay, so I'm going to go over to Sonia's page, the Onojas. Okay, so this is Sonia's channel. All you need to do is just scroll to post. Okay, so this is Sonia's channel. I also have had the opportunity to also share my picture on her channel. So you can share your picture, you can share your video, you can share your screenshots, you can share your thumbnails on the community tab. So here we are on her channel. All you need to do is go to visit community. You can see there, visit community. So I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see here, this is her post. Now this is my post. Yes, this is me. I posted on her community. Okay, so I want to show you someone else's posts. Okay, you can see this. Now you can see the name of this person, Damian's mom and family. She posted on Sonia's community. Then let's go again. You can see this person, Ntiwa Diaries. She posted on Sonia's community. Okay, so look at this person again, Jide Star. He posted on Sonia's community. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, you can create a community where your subscribers can come and interact with each other, also share their own ideas or things about their channel that you might be interested in. So I'm going to show you how you can turn it on your own channel so that your own subscribers will be able to get access to this community tab. Okay, so you're going to turn it on. I'm going to go to my channel. Okay, so this is my channel. Now you're going to see this feature. It's a very new feature newly introduced by YouTube. Okay, so you're going to click on visit community. Okay, so you click on visit community. Now you can see introducing your new community. Now viewers can post, discuss and connect in one space. Manage your community. Choose what content can show up on your page. Access your community from your channel. You can see, so all you need to do is come over to this place, turn on my community. You click on it. So you allow it to load. You wait for it to load. Okay, so now the community settings is on. You can see this is it. So anybody can come here to share their posts on your community. So you can as well go further to edit your community settings. Viewer posts, you can turn it on or off. And who can post? Those that can post for now, you only have the subscribers for now. Only your subscribers can post on your community. But I believe with time, YouTube is also going to upgrade these settings. Okay, so viewers post, you can either turn it on or turn it off. If you want viewers to post on your community, you turn it on. If you don't want them to post, you're going to turn it off. Post moderation. Okay, here it says post moderation none. Under none, it says don't hold any posts. Under basic, hold potentially inappropriate posts. Hold all posts. So it all depends on you. But I think this basic is the best in case someone posts something that is inappropriate on your community. You don't want other people seeing it. So you're just going to use the basic setting here to hold potentially inappropriate posts so that before it's publicized, YouTube will take down the post. Okay, so here it is. Now, how do you post on someone else's community tab? All you need to do is come to this place, what's on your mind. You're going to click on it. If you want to post your picture, if you want to add your picture, you're going to click on. Okay, so you're going to do that. So you can, from here, you can post anything that you like. You can post your picture. You can post just write up. You can also post a poll, something like a quiz for, to keep members busy, to keep subscribers busy, just to have interaction within your subscribers. So you're going to just write whatever it is that you need to post right here and then post it on the community tab. So same thing also goes to your subscribers. They can come here and post on your community. You also can post on your community tab. So it's that simple and very easy. So by that time, you see that your community is turned on. Another way you can also turn on your community is by going to this place. You can see my community. You can see it here. Initially, if you have not turned it on, it's going to be off. So when you come here, you're going to meet it like this. So all you need to do is to click on it and it's going to turn on. So you can either turn it on here or the other way that I just explained earlier. So whenever someone comes to your community, whenever someone comes to your channel, they just go to visit community and then they can be able to post on your community tab and interact with each other. That way it will give your subscribers the leverage to come to your community and connect with each other. So, and that is just it. Is that simple? Okay, so that is for that. And I hope, just one more thing, you can now see your subscribers. Yes, that is also a new setting. You can see your subscribers. Now you can see your subscribers. All you need to do is to just click on it. And then you get to see everyone that has subscribed to your channel in recent time. You can see all of my subscribers are here. So you'll be able to scroll, check your subscribers, and also check their channels out if need be. Okay. Oh my God, I'm just seeing this. I just clocked 4,000 subscribers. Wow, Thank you so much, my YouTube community. Thank you very much. I'm just seeing this now. Thank you so much. So that is for that for this video. It's that simple and easy. Why not turn this setting on for your channel so that your subscribers can get to interact with each other? So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the most important thing, hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload new video. And again, please join my Telegram group. I just created a Telegram group where I'm going to be sharing all of my videos and other contents that I'm not allowed to share on YouTube. So please do well to support me and join my Telegram group so that you can also connect with other creators, share ideas over there, and we'll be good. Okay, so thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this video, and until I see you again in my next video, as usual, bye.